consider getting, and you will be immersed with a wide range of detestations and puzzler of security and reimbursement modules combined with weighty loan costs that you will in every practical sense disregard considering getting in government-issued types of money. In any case, presently you have an answer to be sure. The computerized resource world is here to moderate your stresses over acquiring and loaning. The decentralized money convention isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related openness and marking obstacles, yet additionally to address your frightening worries connected with acquiring and loaning. One such arrangement is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to for the most part loan and get crypto. Like government-issued types of money, loan specialists of digital currencies additionally get revenue, and borrowers certainly pay revenue on cryptographic forms of money also. The framework most certainly goes through no adjustment of instrument versus government-issued types of money. As per Aave cost expectation, Aave has made the genuinely whole framework somewhat simple and conceivable to an everyday person putting his cash-related stresses very still. The Aave benefit. Computerized resource holders benefit all benefits of getting and loaning since the very local symbolic Aave gives a rebate to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage. Like different monetary forms, Aave also is administered by market opinions and brokers' financial planning designs, which is very huge. The symbolic advantages to financial backers essentially are tremendous, and Aave is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of elements bait an ever-increasing number of merchants too as time passes. Aave likewise offers fixed and in every practical sense, variable loan fees and permits clients to exchange their preferred cash. Aave, the street ahead. What's in store is very splendid for Aave as the corporate has imagined an unselfish vision for Aave. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bend has generally certain signs for Aave. Nonetheless, specialists have demonstrated long-haul crypto forecasts as exceptionally high that urge financial backers and merchants to feel free to put resources into this digital currency in a light market with certainty, which is genuinely huge. Disposing of the intricacies of the decentralized environment, Aave has been made with the sole target of a multi-useful and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Aave, the tremendous potential. Aave is recorded on different most certainly noted trades like Binance, Coinbase, and OKEX. Right from the hour of origin, Aave has been performing at a level with development boundaries plainly demonstrating certainty among other digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Aave empowers decentralized trades to offer quick and cheap exchanges for their clients. Coordination with Aave assists these trades with running on steroids, making them dependable and secure. No big surprise, this decentralized trade drives the fate of computerized resources. Aave likewise goes about as a loaning and credit scoring stage for dealers. The brokers can learn the value and believability of their borrowers, seeing their exchange history working with loaning of tokens to the individuals who have a superior potential for success of ideal reimbursement. Aave, verifiable examination. The brain science of clients assumes a critical part in the crypto market opinion. Costs are exceptionally delicate to the group's psychological methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. Aave also is no special case. The dormancy that at first played for Aave in last year generally is no more there as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and brokers, which is very critical. The downswing that played for Aave in 2020 vanished in the background of its mechanical arrangements. A regularly and definitely noticed characteristic of Aave is that it has shown the most whimsical and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with sort of descending bear nailing down development. Aave value conjecture, market opinion. While certain specialists have a hopeful view on Aave cost, expressing the coin might beat its opponent cryptographic forms of money, others keep their assets away from plain view. In view of our figures, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $7.37. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 732.86%. As per the most recent long-haul figure, Aave cost will hit $228 toward the finish of 2022 and a similar cost $228 toward the finish of 2023. As per our cost forecast, Aave cost could exchange around $907.88 toward the finish of 2022 and $5,274.25 toward the finish of 2026. The value forecasts of different specialists don't stop the coin from outflanking the adversary coins using any and all means. Aave People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself. In any case, Aave will outperform the assumptions for all digital currency financial backers who have found this stage very intuitive and simple, which is very critical. The ongoing cost of Aave waits around $146.32 with a market capitalization of $1,952,817,652.22 with an exchanging volume of $305,349,990.34. The best tips to put resources into Aave will for the most part be to purchase on plunges, as presently Aave is at the pinnacle. Despite the fact that there could be misdirecting treat for us as far as Aave, similar to some other digital money, it is savvy to hang tight for one more round of up bullish push essentially. Despite the fact that other major crypto Goliaths appear to be getting kind of web-based entertainment publicity, Aave will without a doubt consistently show a positive example, continually rising. And the impending years will be one of the most mind-blowing times of Aave with value expectations of at least $1,200 without a doubt. Aave Value Forecast 2022. With organizations and coalitions and local area financing, the market glances back at Aave to perform, arriving at a sort of typical degree of $181.15, which is very hopeful, however definitely achievable. Aave Value Expectation 2023. With any progressions engulfed, arrangements and guidelines, Aave Cost may too have its portion of murky days. Aave Cost ought to cruise serenely at $249.73 or max do homage $224.67, making it not plunge yet play reliable. Aave Value Forecast 2024, or so they basically thought. Aave Cost pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful development way. The coin may sort of fill quickly, particularly for coalitions in an unobtrusive way. New organizations would fundamentally carry Aave convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital money, taking Aave Cost around $241.23. Aave Value Expectation 2025, which sort of is genuinely huge. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an intense test for digital currencies that are opponents of Aave. The value skyline is really brilliant for Aave. It doesn't exclusively bet on decentralization. As indicated by our cost expectations, Aave could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward the finish of 2025. Aave Value Expectation 2026. Having seen an enormous DApp reception somewhat recently that in a real sense drove the cost of Aave. From the outset of 2026, Aave has stamped huge development. In the beginning of 2026, it could cross the $303.98 cost mark, yet later confronted revision and keep on exchanging around $275.96. The token is acquiring prevalence among financial backers, and the Aave cost is set to take off to a typical cost of $272.95 before the current year's over. Does Aave have a future in an unobtrusive manner? Aave is one cryptographic money that truly will have a brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, Aave will lead the crypto realm. Thus, for the purpose of installment, it would have a really lengthy rule. Is Aave obviously superior to Bitcoin? With regards to exchange speed and expenses, Aave is without a doubt better compared to Bitcoin. The typical time taken for handling an exchange by Aave is not really 2.5 seconds, far in front of Bitcoin. Will Aave Cost reach $1,000